It's day 2, part 2 of our trip to Hammers, and as you saw in the intro, it's Trophy Truck Day. Trophy trucks have also been known as Super Trucks or Baja Trucks. As a kid in the 80s, my generation was introduced to trophy trucks through the arcade and Nintendo's Ivan Iron Man Stewart Super Off-Road. A few decades later, I'm a big kid enjoying these trucks. Most people that think of King of the Hammers don't immediately think trophy trucks. I know previously when I thought of these trucks, I always thought of the Baja 1000. It was great. I don't have to make it all the way south to watch these machines in action. Oh hey, look at that. That's a beautiful Dobie. Amazingly, you get to walk through the starting lineup as these machines rumble and gurgle for their chance to race. Unlike NASCAR or Formula One, you don't have to pay top dollar to be immersed in this type of action on race day. I was luckier than most as I am friends with the Addrak Racing drivers and pit crew. Here's an opportunity for you to be a fly on the wall.
Yeah, it's been like 4 or 5.
What happened? Hold on. You need to trust him. Trust him.
I bet you feel a little bit better in this than you do in the 4400 going to the desert,
It's definitely smooth. I haven't done this here though. That's just will beat the look. So,
yeah.
Darcy feels really good, but yeah, she's bucky. You know.
Yeah.
We had her ass end up like this the other day, and Jim saw our hood. And we turned around and remarked that exact spot. So we're also marking stuff not just for this desert loop.
Right. For that, the same loop, right?
After tomorrow, dude, we're not going to do the desert again. We're going to focus on rocks.
Right.
I haven't even looked at the rock map yet. I haven't even looked at the rock list. I don't need it in my head yet.
Because this is the same.
It's different. It's all different.
Tomorrow's? It's
No,
different
that's the same desert loop.
Right, yeah. So this is definitely an advantage doing this.
Sure.
The Desert Challenge is a 2-day race with the first day a 35-mile short course which sets race position. Day 2 was a 182-mile race through Johnson Valley's rugged and sandier terrain. Top speeds are maxed out in this race, as you will see in later footage.
So the top three right now, that's Tim Hurst. He's sitting there with 31-29. So that's about a minute and 7 seconds back. He's racing there as well. Including the most entrance. How are they starting? It's going to be a land rush stop. And you know what that means? Chaos. Chaos. Pure chaos.
Unfortunately, I was not in the helicopter filming all the action. So, after watching on the big screen, we rallied a posse of crawlers together to head out. Our goal was to find the best spot to watch the race. Race day makes for a lot of closed trails, so we had to get more creative.
Oh, was it? Yeah. I need to get 40 lemon juice.
No, this is sick, dude.
Hey, let's get out and chill.
Yeah. That's right.
I didn't want to be the guy. I didn't want to get out when you guys were in. Those trucks put a bird.
Finding one of the higher peaks in Johnson Valley gave us an amazing view. Visibility was great, and you could see the dust rooster tails out for miles and miles.
The helicopter's having fun on that turn too.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Get it.
Freaking drift it, bro.
Get it.
With no binoculars or big lenses, the trucks are so small bobbing around that reminds me of Ivan Stewart's Super Off-Road. So enjoy his wonderful 8-bit jam while we catch more racing.
It could be. He's trying. I hear the siren. He's not giving up. Yeah. I think that could be it.
I'm pretty sure that was Chris and Wade getting after it. Good thing there was a helicopter catching the action.
So I was on that mountain when you guys came across the desert. And I saw you and I'm like, yeah, that's when I was winching up that thing last night. So yeah,
Just sledding it.
Huh?
Sledding it on
Well,
the
there's
rock.
no way to come. I mean, Parker, you grabbed your driver door and come to
I can't say enough about how badass these trucks are. So we will exit this vid with more gratuitous heli shots. Our adventures for this day were by no means done, as we would crawl spooners and outer limits into the night where things inevitably break. After limping to camp, we would watch more nighttime shenanigans at Backdoor and Chocolate Thunder. So be sure to hit all the buttons, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified for the next video. Until then, be sure to get out and explore the backcountry.